Have you ever met someone who didn't need to speak loudly to command attention? Someone whose calm presence instantly changes the atmosphere in a room? They don't chase approval. They don't need to prove anything. Yet people feel drawn to them, naturally. That's not luck. It's Stoic presence, a quiet, grounded energy that radiates confidence, discipline, and peace. Today I'll share 11 Stoic habits that will help you build this kind of silent magnetism, the kind that speaks louder than words. By the end, you'll know how to carry yourself in a way that makes others respect, admire, and remember you, without ever demanding their attention. Let's begin. 1. Embrace the power of stillness. In a noisy world, stillness is a form of rebellion. While others rush, speak, and react, the Stoic remains calm. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Nowhere you can go is more peaceful than your own soul." Stillness doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing only what matters. It's the quiet confidence of someone who doesn't need chaos to feel alive. When you move through life calmly, you become the anchor in other people's storms. 2. Master your reactions. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you but how you react to it that matters." Anyone can look strong when life is easy. True power shows when you stay composed under pressure. Next time someone tests your patience, don't respond immediately. Breathe. Observe. Then act from wisdom, not impulse. That's emotional mastery, and it's magnetic. 3. Speak less, mean more. Words lose value when they're used carelessly. A Stoic doesn't speak to fill silence. They speak to bring clarity. When you say little but mean everything you say, people listen. Your pauses become powerful. Speak slowly. Choose words with intention. Let silence carry weight between sentences. That's how quiet people end up being the most influential in any room. 4. Listen to understand, not to reply. When most people listen, they're just waiting to talk. But true Stoic listening is different. It's full attention, without judgment, without distraction. When you truly listen, you make people feel seen. And that's magnetic, because in a world obsessed with being heard, being a good listener is rare. 5. Be fully present. Seneca said, "The greatest obstacle to living is expectation, which depends on tomorrow and wastes today." Presence means your mind and body are in the same moment. No anxiety about the future, no regret about the past. When you're truly present, people feel it. Your eye contact, your tone, your stillness, it all communicates authenticity. Presence is your quiet power. 6. Stay calm amid chaos. When life becomes turbulent, most people panic. But the Stoic breathes. They observe. They respond with composure. Calmness doesn't mean indifference. It means strength. People are drawn to those who remain steady while others crumble. Your peace becomes contagious. 7. Practice humility. Humility isn't about thinking less of yourself. It's about thinking of yourself less. The Stoic doesn't need applause, validation, or praise. They let their actions speak for them. True confidence doesn't shout, it whispers. It's felt through quiet self-assurance, not loud self-promotion. That's why humility is magnetic. It radiates authenticity. 8. Detach from opinions. You become unstoppable when you stop being controlled by others' opinions. Epictetus said, "If you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Let them misunderstand you, while you stay focused on your path." Approval is temporary. Peace is permanent. When you stop explaining yourself, you start conserving your power. 9. Control your emotions. Anger, jealousy, resentment. These emotions own you when you fail to master them. The Stoic learns to observe emotions, not obey them. You are not your feelings, you are the awareness behind them. Imagine the quiet strength of someone who remains kind when others are cruel, composed when others lose control. That's real power. That's magnetic. 10. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude grounds you in abundance. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive." Gratitude turns ordinary days into blessings. It changes how you see and how others see you. People are drawn to those who radiate appreciation and peace, not scarcity and complaint. Be the person who smiles quietly because they understand how precious life is. 11. Lead by example. The greatest leaders don't tell people what to do, they show them. Every Stoic understood this truth. Your actions are your loudest message. When your behavior matches your values, you inspire without trying. You don't need to dominate conversations. Your consistency, composure, and integrity do the talking. That's silent leadership. That's Stoic magnetism. Closing thoughts. So, you want to be magnetic? Then stop chasing attention. Stop explaining your worth. Cultivate calmness. Be grounded, patient, disciplined, and kind. People will notice. Not because you ask them to, but because your presence feels different. Remember, quiet confidence is louder than words. Stillness is stronger than force. And the most powerful person in the room is the one who doesn't need to prove it.